Dream, 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 dream. Dream, dream, dream when I want you. In my arms when I want you. And all your charms whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. Dream, dream, dream when I feel blue in the night and I need you to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream. Dream, 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 dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream. Dream, 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 dream. Dream, 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 dream. Dream, 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 dream.
Oh, oh, Claudette. Oh, oh, Claudette. I got a brand new baby and I feel so good. She loves me even better than I thought she would. I'm on my way to her house and I'm plumb out of breath. And when I see her tonight, I'm gonna squeeze her to death. Claudette, pretty little pet Claudette, never make me fret Claudette, but she's the greatest little girl that I've ever met. I get the best loving that I'll ever get from Claudette, pretty little pet Claudette. Oh, oh, Claudette. Well, I'm a lucky man, my baby treats me right. She's gonna let me hug and kiss and hold her tight when the date is over and we're at her front door. And when I kiss her goodnight, I'll holler more, more, more. Claudette, pretty little pet Claudette, never make me fret Claudette, but she's the greatest little girl that I've ever met. I get the best loving that I'll ever get from Claudette. Oh, pretty little pet Claudette. Oh, oh, Claudette. When me and my new baby have a date of 3, I'm gonna ask my baby if she'll marry me. I'm gonna be so happy for